find the arc length of the curve. So we've got a parametric curve here, 3t squared, 2t cubed, for t going from 2 to 5. All right, we know how to set up arc length. We've got a formula for that with parametric curves. We're going from 2 to 5, and then we need the square root of the expression for the derivative of our x-coordinate squared, and then the expression for the derivative of our y-coordinate squared. Okay, now our x-coordinate was 3t squared, so derive that, you're just going to get 6t. So we'll square that. And then it was 2t cubed, if I recall correctly. Yep, 2t cubed. So that'll become 6t squared, squared again. Let's see, we've got 36t squared plus 36t to the fourth. We can definitely take out a factor of 36, and we can even bring it outside the square root sign at a cost of a 6. And what's more, we could bring that outside the whole expression. So we'll have t squared plus t to the fourth. We could bring out a factor of t as well. All right, and that's all under the square root sign, but we can break that up. Okay, and the square root and the square can cancel out. We're just going to get t, because all our values of t are between 2 and 5, so they're always going to be positive, so we don't need to break up the integral in any way. Okay, no harm there. Okay. And now the question becomes, well, how do I integrate this? Okay. And what we can do is we can use a substitution. So we're going to let u be 1 plus t squared. Du by dt is going to be 2t. Okay. And so we can borrow the 2 from the 6. And then we see we've got 3. And it'll just turn into a square root of u du, because these parts combine to make our du. Okay. But don't forget what happens to your bounds when you do a substitution. Okay, you either have to figure out the u or the t, depending which way you're doing your substitution. So 1 plus 2 squared will be a 5 for our lower bound, and 1 plus 5 squared will be a 26 for our upper bound. But at least now we can integrate this. And we'll have u to the 3 halves over 3 halves. Go from 5 to 26. So that's going to be 3 times 2/3. Well, that cancels out. So we'll have just 2. Okay. And then 26 to the 3 over 2 minus 5 to the 3 over 2. And that's probably what we're going to leave it as. So the arc length is twice the 1.5 power of 26 minus 5 to the 1.5. And there we go.